you're trying to choose between Quo and Grasshopper, here's the real question. Do you want a simple business phone or a modern system that works like a team communication tool? Quo is built as a modern app-based business phone system. It combines calls, texts, and team collaboration in one place, almost like a shared inbox for your business number. In real workflows, teams use it to manage conversations together, assign messages, and even automate tasks with AI like call summaries and follow-ups. Pricing typically starts around $15 per user per month, with a 7-day free trial available. That means you can start quickly, and as your team grows, you can scale and even use it for sales or support workflows that directly make money. But it does have a downside. Because it uses per-user pricing, costs can increase fast as your team grows, and it may feel too advanced for solo users. Grasshopper is much simpler. It's a virtual phone system that gives you a business number, call forwarding, extensions, and basic texting. In real workflows, it's used by freelancers or small businesses who just want a professional phone line without complexity. Pricing starts around $14 per month, with plans going up to about $80 per month, and it usually offers a free trial. You can start using it immediately, and even earn from day one if you're handling client calls or services. But I found some downside. It lacks advanced features like team collaboration, deep integrations, or AI tools, so growing businesses often outgrow it. So in real practice, Quo is best if you have a team, want shared communication, and plan to scale your business operations. Grasshopper is better if you're a solo user or small business that just needs a simple, reliable phone system. They do compete directly, but here's the real difference. Quo is built for collaboration and growth with AI and shared workflows, while Grasshopper is built for simplicity and basic call handling. So, if this helped you decide, consider liking the video, subscribe for more simple comparisons, and tell me, are you keeping it simple or building for scale? And I'll see you in the next one.